All right. So now we get to go into all the kind of properties. And it says translate line L along vector AB. I highlighted the vector so that we could see it as I put the transparency over top. What do you notice about its image? And so if I slide A onto the end of that yellow line, what I'll notice is that my line basically stays on top of the line. So the vocabulary word that goes with that is coincides. But here's what I would have written. If the vector lies on your line, the result, which is another way to say image, is also on the original line. And because lines go on forever, we just represent them with points. That's the way we can kind of see them best. That's why you see the A and the B shift. And so the points do shift, it's just that the line itself looks exactly the same. Okay, and the word that is associated with that is coincide. Okay, and then you get to the next one, 3. 3 is a line. Now we get to have this vector parallel. What do I notice about its image? So I'm going to run that red point right across our vector, and we're going to settle it right at the tip. And what I'll notice is that the line still lies on the line. So if the vector is parallel to our line, the image, which is also a line, will coincide with the original. And our image is really L prime. And the original is L. All right. So right here, it says translate line L along the vector AB. So I'm going to give myself a starting point with this red. Give myself a starting point with this red marker. We'll mark it with an X. And it says shift it up. So if I keep it exactly as it is and I just shift it up the vector AB, what do you notice about L and its image? The line L and its image L prime are parallel. Okay. So the results so far that we've gotten, if I slide a line on top of a line, it retains itself, and the points will coincide, the lines will coincide. If the vector is parallel to the line, the results coincide. If I take and I have a line translated from being a line, the lines remain parallel. Okay. And so as you keep going through this, I really don't need the transparency any longer, I hope, but we can have the transparencies. And so that's for the one above. So line L has been translated along the vector AB. The result now, what do you know about the lines? Well, we just figured out that the lines will be parallel. Line L and line L prime are parallel. Okay, our last example. Let's do this quick. Basically, you have your parallel lines. I put the dot on D as I translate it along that line. My parallel lines stayed parallel. My resultant lines are also parallel to the original. So what do you know about their translated images? Line L1 is parallel to line L2. And the image L1 prime is parallel to